Right students, today we discuss about limits, continuity and differentiability. Whatever the function f is, limit exists. Limit extends to a f of x exists means if LHL equal to RHL. What is the LHL means? Before a. LHL means before a. This is the a. So these values are before a. That means x less than a. These values are after a. That means RHL. So before a means limit extends to a minus f of x. That equal to limit extends to a plus f of x. This we can write in the h form. H form is very important one. So h is greater than 0. Very small positive quantity. H is very small positive quantity. Before a means a minus h. After a means a plus h. So the limit is h tends to 0, f of a minus h equal to limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h. So f is continuous at s equal to a. So whatever the continuity, the function is continuous means the limit value is equal to functional value. What is the limit value? LHL equal to RHL. That is equal to functional value. If all those three are equal, LHL equal to RHL equal to functional value, then the function is continuous at x equal to a. Next one, f is differentiable at x equal to a. What is that meaning? F dash of a equal to limit x tends to a, f of x minus f of a by x minus a. That is the function f is differentiable at x equal to a. Or f dash of a equal to LHD equal to RHD. What is the LHD? Limit h tends to 0, f of a minus h minus f of a by minus h. That equal to what is RHD? Limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a by h. That is the RHD. LHD is equal to RHD. Then the function is differentiable at x equal to a. Right? Now let us do some problems on this one. The first problem is limit y tends to 0. Limit y tends to 0. Square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus y power 4 minus root 2 whole by y power 4. See, this is the problem. So limit y tends to 0, square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus y power 4 minus root 2 by y power 4. So first thing, what will happen? Y tends to 0, y is 0, 1 plus 0, 1. Root 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 root 2, root 2 minus root 2 0, denominator is also 0, so 0 by 0. Now you can apply the LHospital rule, that is the one way. So what is the other way? You can rationalize this one, that means I am multiplying and dividing with square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus y power 4 plus root by root of 1 plus root of 1 plus y power 4 plus root 2. So this is the thing. So what is this equal to? Limit y tends to 0. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. A square minus b square means what will happen? This root will be cancelled. That means 1 plus square root of 1 plus y power 4 minus b square means root 2 whole square, that is minus 2 by y power 4 into square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus y power 4 plus root 2. So what will happen? That is equal to limit y tends to 0. So what will be this one? Square root of 1 plus y power 4 1 minus 2 minus 1 by y power 4 into square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus y power 4 plus root 2. So this one again a minus b into a plus b. What will happen? Square root of 1 plus y power 4 plus 1 by square root of 1 plus y power 4 plus 1. A minus b into a plus b. What is that one? Limit y tends to 0. What is the a square? 1 plus y power 4 and b square is minus 1 by y power 4 into square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus y power 4 plus root 2 into square root of 1 plus y power 4 plus 1. See this one, what will happen? 1 gets cancelled. What is the value? Y power 4. Y power 4 by y power 4 gets cancelled. 1 by, now put y equal to 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Root 1, 1. 1 plus 1, root 2. Root 2 plus root 2. 2 root 2. 1 plus 0, 1. Root 1 is the 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So what is the value? 1 by 4 root 2. That is the answer. So this problem you can do the problem by using LHS or you can do by rationalizing. So whichever you feel at that time easy thing, then you proceed in that way. Right. Now see the next one. Limit extends to 0 minus x into box x plus mod x sin box x whole by mod x. So చూడండి ప్రాబ్లం లిమిట్ ఎక్స్టెండ్స్ టు 0 మైనస్ సో బాక్స్ ఎక్స్ ఉంది మోడ్ ఎక్స్ ఉంది సో ప్రాబ్లం వదిలేస్తారు రైట్ చూడండి సో బాక్స్ ఎక్స్ మోడ్ ఎక్స్ వాడు అడిగింది లెఫ్ట్ లిమిట్ సో ప్రాబ్లం వదిలేయాల్సినంత ప్రాబ్లం కాదు అసలు ఇది సి వాట్ వీ నో వాట్ ఈస్ ద డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ మోడ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ వెన్ ఎక్స్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 minus x when x less than 0. Here they are asking the left limit. So what is the mod x is? Minus x. That is okay. So in place of mod x just you write minus x. Next, whatever the box x value. So first what we have to do is, if there is box x in the limits problem, first find that value. Box x is the integral value. First find what is the integral value of that one before 0. Before 0, or you can do by using h form also. So or you can do directly also. See, this is the 0. What is the before 0 means? Like this one, very small neighborhood, say minus 0.1. What is the box of minus 0.1? Minus 1. What is the box of plus 0.1? 0. What is the box of minus 0.1? Minus 1. The actual given problem is limit x tends to 0 minus x into what is the box value? That is the integer. What is that integer? Minus 1 plus mod x sin of box value is minus 1 by mod x. Now they are asking before 0. Before 0, what is the mod x value? Minus x. Limit x tends to 0, x into minus 1. What is the mod x value? Minus x into sin of minus 1 minus sin 1 by what is the mod x value? Minus x. That equal to limit x tends to 0. Now see what will happen. Take minus common here. Minus x into x plus 1. This minus and this minus cancel. Into sin 1. What is the value? By x. Now this x cancel. X tends to 0. 0 plus 1, 1. That what is the value? Minus sin 1. That's it. So that is the problem. So they are asking. So mod x, box x చూడంగానే ప్రాబ్లం వదిలేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు నాకు. సో చాలా ఈజీగా అయిపోతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద వే వీ కెన్ డూ ద సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం. నౌ లెట్ us do in h form. So h form is very useful thing. So what is the h form? Limit h tends to 0. Here they are asking LHL. What is the LHL? Limit h tends to 0. F of 0 minus h. That equal to limit h tends to 0. What is the f of minus h? Minus h into box of minus h plus mod of minus h into sin of box of minus h by mod of minus h. That equal to limit h tends to 0 minus h into what is the box of minus h? H is 0.1. Box of minus 0.1 is minus 1 plus mod of minus h is h only. H is a very small positive quantity. Say h is 0.1. What is the mod of minus 0.1? 0.1. So mod of minus h is also h. Sin of minus h. Sin of. What is the box of minus h? Minus 1. By mod of minus h is h. H gets cancelled. So limit h tends to 0. Multiply this minus with that one. What will happen? 1 minus h into. What is the sin of minus 1? Minus sin 1. What is the value? 1 minus 0, 1. 1 into minus sin 1? Minus sin 1. So that is the way we do the problem. Okay? So in this way, box or mod x, we can solve the problem easily. So right students, see this problem. Limit extends to 1 plus 1 minus mod x plus sin of mod of 1 minus x into sin pi by 2 box of 1 minus x by mod of 1 minus x into box of 1 minus x. Limit extends to 1 plus. So box on the mod on the. So సో ప్రాబ్లం కష్టం. రైట్, ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఇంకా వదిలేయాలి. 1 ప్లస్ అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? ఆఫ్టర్ 1 1 ప్లస్ హెచ్ 1 ప్లస్ 0.1 1.1. What is the box of 1.1? 1. What is the box of minus 1.1? Minus 2. So అంతమించి ఏ ఉండదమ్మా. రైట్, నౌ సీ దిస్ వన్. సో here they are asking RHL equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h, that equal to limit h tends to 0. What is the f of 1 plus h? 1 minus mod of 1 plus h plus sin mod of 1 minus of 1 plus h into sin pi by 2 box of 1 minus of 1 plus h whole by 1 minus of 1 plus h box of 1 minus of 1 plus h, that equal to limit h tends to 0 1 minus. What is the mod of 1 plus h? 1 plus h is the positive quantity. H is 0.1. 1 plus 0.1 1.1, that is the positive quantity. So mod of 1 plus h is just 1 plus h plus sin of 1 gets cancelled minus h. What is the mod of minus h? Mod of minus h is the h only, that is the sin h. Sin pi by 2 into 1 cancel minus h. What is the box of minus h? Box of minus h, box of minus 0.1. Box of minus 0.1 is minus 1, and pi by 2 into minus 1 by 1 gets cancelled minus h. What is the mod of minus h? H only. 1 gets cancelled minus h. What is the box of minus h? Minus 1. What is this equal to? 1 gets cancelled. Limit h tends to 0. What is the value? Sin h minus h. What is this value? Sin of minus pi by 2 minus 1 by minus h. So minus gets cancelled, that equal to limit h tends to 0 sin h minus h by h. Apply h tends to 0 by 0 LHospital rule. Now apply that one. Limit h tends to 0. Apply LHospital rule. What is the derivative numerator? Cos h minus 1 by 1. Cos h minus 1 by 1. Put h tends to 0. Cos 0 1 minus 1, that equal to 0. That is the RHL value. So you can do the problem easily. So whether they are asking LHL, RHL, that's no problem. We can solve that problem easily. So use the H form, mod value, box value, or e power 1 by x. In such cases, H value is very easy one.